When Instagram Stories was first announced, it was a game changer. It might look familiar since it closely resembles Snapchat Stories. But considering the app's 500 million monthly active users and the engaged following you've likely already built on Instagram, the addition was a huge win for businesses. In case you don't know, Instagram Stories are a series of images and videos that appear at the top of a user's feed. They live for 24 hours in chronological order and give users the options to post as much as they want without cluttering up people's feeds. Creating a story is easy. Either tap the Your Story plus sign in the upper left corner of the home screen, or just swipe right. Tap to take a photo, or press and hold to capture a video. Use those arrow buttons to switch between camera views. My favorite thing is to add a boomerang. Think of it as a mini video that loops back and forth, perfect for a little office celebration. Add some text, use the pen to draw a doodle, or try out the built-in stickers. Swipe left or right to add a filter. When you're happy with the masterpiece, go ahead and add it to your story. Later on, you can check back to see who watched your story by swiping up. Of course, Instagram has always been the place to showcase the most beautifully edited version of your brand. But with stories, the pressure is off. Content is quick-lived, unpolished, and even a little bit silly. Here, you don't have to be picture perfect. If you have a verified account, Instagram allows you to add see more links in your stories to direct people to content without them having to leave the app. Tap the link icon, enter your URL, and use the pen tool to bring some attention to your link. You can also @tag another account when you use the text tool. A great idea if you're co-marketing with another brand or featuring a special guest. As the name suggests, use the feature to tell great stories. Give a behind-the-scenes look at the creative process behind your product. Interview a content creator. As long as you stay true to your brand, the possibilities are endless with Instagram Stories.